Hey everyone, Chris here from Cable Bullet. We're super excited to introduce a new stainless steel collection within our Signature series, Signature Select. We know you love our Signature Classic collection, so we redesigned our new stainless system to match its look and feel, adding a few upgrades here and there. Flexibility and customization within your layout is essential. With all our Signature series collections, you can do just that. Use single post corners and two-way posts to streamline your design and trim costs without sacrificing a clean, high-end look. The posts are also compatible with most custom handrails. Wood, metal, plastic, anything with a flat underside mounts directly to our posts. Every part of the Signature Select collection, posts, handrail, cable, and tensioners, is made from Type 316 marine-grade stainless steel, the industry standard for durability and corrosion resistance. If you're after a high-end look or building near the coast, Signature Select checks every box for a durable, stylish cable railing system. If you've installed Signature Classic, formerly Signature Series, you're in luck. Signature Select's installation is functionally identical. If you haven't installed Signature Classic, don't worry. Installing any Signature Series collection is easy. Click the button in the top right corner to see how simple it is. In a nutshell, you'll set your posts, cut and attach the handrail, install your tensioners, then cut, crimp, and run your cables. If you're ready to start a project or get in contact with a real cable railing expert, head over to cablebullet.com. We're here to help you create your dream view.